Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. আজি 22 সেপ্টেম্বৰ তাৰিখে 2021 বৰ্ষৰ APSc পৰীক্ষা হৈ যোৱা GS পেপাৰ 1ৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ আজি সমাধান আমি কৰিছো আৰু এইটো মই অকলে কৰা নাই আমাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ YouTube ফ্যামিলি YouTube টিম যেটো আছে আমি গোটেইকেইটা মিলি আমি আজি এই APSc ৰ প্ৰিলিমছৰ GS 1 পেপাৰখন আজি সলভ কৰিছো গতিকে আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে যে আপোনালোকৰ কোন কেইটা কাৰেক্ট হল সো লেটস স্টার্ট আমি ইয়াতে কোনো সিৰিয়ালি কৰা নাই কাৰণ সকলোৰ কোৱেশ্চন বুকলেট নাম্বাৰ একে নহয় গতিকে আমি জাস্ট কোৱেশ্চন কেইটা পিক আপ কৰি লৈছো সো লেটস স্টার্ট যে অসীমত যাৰ হেৰাল হিমা ইজ এ landmark in Assamese novel written by Kanchan Bora, okay, and was first published in 1945. But Kanchan Bora is the pen name. What is the author's real name? Our author's real name is Bhuban Mohan Bora. This is the correct answer, okay. So let's go to the another. The Tale of a Nomadic Soul is the English translation of famous novel by Syed Abdul Malik, which is that more novel among the following, okay. Aru yate correct answer hoise Oghori Atmar Kahini, okay. This is the correct answer. So ami yate next question, the novel Obhijatri is based on life and achievement of, the correct answer is Chandraprabha Hoikani, okay. The next question, the English Education Act made English language the medium of instruction in India as per decision of William Bentinck, okay. The funds are allocated to the British East India Company to spend on education and literature in India. When was this act passed? It was in 1835, okay. This is the correct answer. While Rabindranath Tagore conferred the title Mahatma upon Gandhi, who conferred the title Half-Naked Fakir on Gandhi? And it was on Sir Winston Churchill, okay. This is the correct answer. Who authored the famous book Indica? And it was, right answer is Megasthenes. So let's go to the another one. Aruna Asaf Ali was one of the prominent organizers of the underground activities during the correct answer is Quit India movement, okay. We will answer only the correct, okay. So next question, identify the national leader and efficient administrator who played an extraordinary role in the integration of Indian state, and it was on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is the correct answer. So let's go to the next question. Next question is, who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha of the Indian Parliament? And it was G.V. Mavalankar, okay. Actually I don't know every answer of this question, but my whole entire team we decided আমি গোটেইকেইটা মানে কোৱেশ্চন কেইটা আনসাৰ কেইটা মানে বিচাৰি উলাইছো এটো মই অকলে কৰা নাই গতিকে কেইখনমান কোৱেশ্চন মোৰ খেলিমেলি আছিল যদিও হেফকেলে আমাৰ সকলো টিম লিডাৰ বা টিমৰ প্ৰত্যেকজন মানুহে আমি গোটেইকেইটা কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ শুদ্ধকে কাৰেক্ট কৰি উলিয়াইছো, ওকে। আৰু আমাৰ টিমত বহুত কেইজন শিক্ষিত ব্যক্তি আছে, PhD কৰা মানুহ আছে, গতি হেবোৰ সকলোৰ হৈতে চিন্তা চৰ্চা কৰি আমি কোৱেশ্চন কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ কেইটা ৰাইট টিক কৰিছো। The next question, who was the India's prime minister when the government introduced modern Panchayat Raj system by 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act and gave it to the constitutional status? It was a P.V. Narasimha Rao, okay. This is the correct answer. So let's go to the another. Which among the following schedules of the Indian Constitution is related with the distribution of powers between union and states? It was in Schedule 7, okay. The correct answer is Schedule 7. The next question, the concepts of integral humanism and Antiyodha were associated with which of the following visionary thinkers of India? And it was Dindayal Upadhyaya. So let's go to the another question. When did the first amendment of the Indian Constitution take place? It was in 1951 of 18 June. This is the correct answer, okay. Let's go to the another question, and this question is, which freedom fighter earned the sobriquet the Nightingale of India? And it was Sorojini Naidu. Under Article 368, the Parliament has no power to repeal the fundamental rights because they are integral part of basic structure of the Constitution. This is the correct answer. Next question, the concept of dual citizenship in the India of the persons of India origin belonging to some specified countries was recommended by the, actually this we are not able to get the correct answer here, So you guys please comment on the comment section which is the correct answer. Okay, we are sorry for this. So let's go to the another question. Equal opportunity in matter of public employment is guaranteed under article of 16. This is the correct answer. Which of the following fundamental rights are available only to the citizens of India? And it was correct is 1 and 4. The one option is right to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment, and the 4 is statement is right to freedom under article 19. Okay, this is the correct answer, that is 1 and 4 is the correct answer. Next question, in Indian constitution, these questions are all about Indian constitution and law. In Indian constitution, the method of election of the president of India is taken from which country? It was Ireland. Yeah, this answer was known by me. Next question, as per the party Assam Accord signed among the government of India, the government of Assam, and leaders of the Assam education, that is ASU, and all Assam Gana Sangram Parishad on 15th August 1985, what was the set up as the cut-off date of detection and deportation of illegal migrants of Assam? যেহেতু অসম চুক্তিৰ মতে যিটো হৈছিল যে আমি গম পাইছোঁ যে 1971 24 মাৰ্চৰ মাজনিশালৈকে যিসকল মানুহ আমাৰ অসমলৈ আহিছে সেইসকল অসমীয়া আৰু তাৰপিছত যিকেইটা আছে সেইকেইটা আমি বিদেশী বুলি আমি চিনাক্ত কৰোঁ। গতিকে সেই কুৱেশ্যনটো ইয়াতে দাঙি ধৰিছে। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন ইজ অল এবাউট যে দ্য 4 ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টছ আণ্ডাৰ দ্য বড়োলেণ্ড টেৰিটৰিয়েল কাউন্সিল, এইটো আমি সকলোৱে জানো, প্ৰায় মেক্সিমামে জানো, কোকৰাঝাৰ, বাক্সা, চিৰাং এণ্ড ওদালগুৰি। তাৰপিছত নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন ইজ which statement among the following is not true about the GST Council, and it is chaired by the Prime Minister of India. So let's go to the another question. The largest landlocked country in the world is Kazakhstan. Landlocked, find out which of the following pairs are correct. That is all are correct. Okay, these here all are correct. So next question, which country is the largest archipelago country in the world? And this is Indonesia is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following rivers has the largest river basin in the Indian subcontinent? And it is the correct answer is Ganga. কিছুমান মানুহে ভুল কৰিছে, ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ দিছে, এইটো মই গম পাইছোঁ, কিন্তু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নহয়, গংগাটো হৈছে আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ উপত্যকা আৰু ইউপিত আটাইতকৈ বেছি পৰিমাণে কি আছে গংগা বেচিনটো উপলব্ধ। অ'কে, so next question, the boundary between India and Pakistan came into force in 17th of August 1947. Which line divides those countries? That is Redcliffe line. আৰু এইজন কোনে কৰিছিল? চেৰিল ৰেডক্লিফ নামৰ মানুহজনে ইণ্ডিয়া আৰু পাকিস্তানৰ মাজত ভাগ বতৰা কৰিছিল। অ'কে, দ্য নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন ইজ দ্য আইলেণ্ড অফ Seychelles are located in the Indian Ocean. Okay, the correct answer is Indian Ocean. The next question, which of the following wildlife sanctuaries national parks are located in the Assam Arunachal Pradesh? This is Namdapha National Park, Namdapha Rashtriya Udyan. According to the most authentic geographical studies, when did the begin in the earth? What did the life begin in the earth? It is 3.8 billion years ago. The best passing out cadets of the National Defence Academy Khadagwasla Pune, that is conferred the Lasit Borphukan Gold Medal. Okay, the next question, who was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of India's independence? That was Hori Singh. Next question 57, the brave Assamese lady warrior Mula Gabru died fighting against Turbok Khan. Okay, Mughal বিরুদ্ধে যুদ্ধ দিছিল আৰু Turbok Khan বিরুদ্ধে যুদ্ধ দিছিল। Okay, who was the first Assamese to fight against the British? That is Gumdhar Kaur. Gumdhar Kaur is the correct answer. Next question, eto question যে Bhogeshwar Barua was the Arjun Award winner from Assam in 1966. Who was the second Assamese to win this coveted award of Indian sports in 1987? It was Mona Lisa Borua Mehta. Okay, which Assamese film won the first ever National Film Award, the President's Certificate of Merit, regional language category in 1955? It was purely Phukon. কিছুমানে ভুল কৰিছে ৰংগা পুলিচ বুলি লিখিছে কিন্তু নহয় এটা হ'ব পিয়লি ফুকন the next question is great footballer Dr. Talimaran was born in undivided Assam in Naga Hills district. Okay, he and went to the study to Cotton College and Arjikar Medical College for his degree in medicine. He holds a unique status in Indian football history. The correct answer is D. Both B and C is the correct answer. He scored the first goal for Indian international match and the he was the first captain of Indian football team in 1948 London Olympics, and he was the flag bearer of Indian continent in 1948 London Olympics. So the correct answer is D. Both B and C is the correct answer. Okay, so let's go to the another, and these are all about science related question. Who won the Nobel Prize in Physics for the discovery of the law of photoelectric effect? It is Albert Einstein. E equal to mc square. Okay, 22 the filament strings of an electric bulb is made for tungsten. Amar bulbor bhitor je filament dal thake edal ki re hedal tungsten re toyari. The next question is which among the following is the chief content of biogas? Biogas or pradhan upadan hoise methane. Next question, which of the following is an egg laying mammal? Etu hoise platypus. Kisone whale boli likhise, whale nohoy asolte platypus hobo etu. Which of the following disease is not caused by virus? That is anthrax. Okay, মোৰ বহুত কেইখন কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ বহুত কেইজন ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ মোৰ হাতত আহি পৰিছে গতিকে তাৰ ওপৰতো মই চিন্তা চৰ্চা কৰিছোঁ কিছুমানে ভুল লিখিছে কিছুমান অলপৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান মানে একেহেন লাগে কিছুমান এনসাৰ কিন্তু একে নহয় গতিকে হেনেকুৱা ভুল বহুতৰ হৈছে ইজি কুৱেশ্যন বাট তেনেকুৱা হৈছে The next question is a washing machine works on the principle of centrifugal force. Washing machine centrifugal force ke enokwa je this is all about centrifugal force. Raindrops, it is 100% correct answer is surface tension. Raindrops are spherical in shape because of phenomena called surface tension. Pishtotan, Okomet koi pishtotan. Next question is name of the clinical procedure in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to COVID-19 affected patient in critical condition, that is plasma therapy. Amar je plasma transfer kora ejon manor upor aron hetur kotha hoise. Even suddenly encounters a tiger in the jungle and his heartbeat goes up, blood pressure increases and get nervous. Which hormone is released more at this point in his body? That is adrenal গ্রন্থির পরা কি হয় adrenal hormone নিঃসরিত হয়. Next question, the Department Act East Policy Affairs under the government of Assam was set up in 2017 is the correct answer. Next question, which Ministry of India is carrying out special scientific schemes like Kiran, IPR and Bigyan Jyoti for women scientists of India? The correct answer is the Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay. The next question is which of the following became the first UT or state in the India to present e-budget and stream it live on social media as well? That was Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Budget ঘোষণা কৰিছে একদম ইন্টারনেটৰ দ্বাৰাই মানে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াৰ একদম লাইভত মানে বাজেট নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰিছে এটো হৈছে অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ এপি মনত ৰাখিব এপি বুলি ক'লে আকৌ অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশ বুলি নাভাবিব এটো অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ ওকে the next question is the maximum number of individual that can be supported by given environment is called carrying capacity ক্ষমতা next question the plants growing under direct sunlight are known as heliophytes what do we call the plant growing under shades it is cyophytes okay cyophytes zoology student like gom pabo the next question which among the following protocols or convention is dedicated for protecting biodiversity from the potential risks caused by living modified organisms from modern technology it was Cartagena protocol okay the next question is which among the following types is the non-material pollution it is thermal pollution okay everything air pollution water pollution soil pollution all these are material pollution but thermal pollution is not related to material it is non-material okay the next and the last page of the question is for the first time in India a senior defense personnel in a newly created position of chief of defense staff was installed in the 1st January of 2020 who will be above all the three ships of the three wings Fish, Army, Navy and Air Force who is the first incumbent in this position General Bipin Rawat okay the correct answer is General Bipin Rawat the question number next question during 1540 and 1587 King Naranarayana ruled over the undivided Kuch kingdom of Komota and subsequently subjugated the entire Brahmaputra valley, including the Ahom, Kosari, Tripura, and Manipur kingdoms. What was the real name of the King Narayana? This is Malladev. Okay, Malladev. The next question is the founder of Ahom kingdom, Solung Sukapa, ruled Assam from 1228 to 1268. After his death, who succeeded him? It was a Suteufa. Okay. The next question is, as a great patron of Shakti Hinduism, an Ahom king built the Umananda temple on Peacock Island of Guwahati around 1694 AD. Who was he? That was Gadadhar Singh. Okay, in English. The next question, King Shiva Singha entrusted Krishna Narayan Bhattacharya, a Shakta priest from Navadip in West Bengal, to manage the Kamakhya temple. How do we know him more popularly? That is the Parvatiya Guhai. Okay, Parvatiya Guhai. The next question is, Sao Sohumang was the first Ahom king to adopt a Hindu title, indicating to move towards an inclusive polity. Which Hindu name he did? It is Swarga Narayan. Okay, Swarga Narayan. Next, we move to the next. The next question is, Sitte port in Myanmar, which is being financed by India as a part of which project? The correct answer is Kaladan Multimodal Transit Sub-Transport Project. Okay, this is the correct answer. And the next question is, on the 26th of January 2020, we lost an all-time great basketball player who used to play for Los Angeles Lakers in the National Basketball Association for 2 decades. Who was he? He was Kobe Bryant. Okay, sorry guys for the noise. Okay, মানে পৰিৱেশটো ইয়াতে ভাল পোৱা নাই সেইকাৰণে হাল্লাৰ কাৰণে অলপ দুখিত. So next question, the FIFA World Cup Football 2020 will be hosted in by Qatar. Then the correct answer is Qatar. We all know of this question. 41, which of the among following removed the pro-democracy books from its public libraries recently? It was Hong Kong. The next question, on 25 of May 2020, few officers of Minneapolis police mercilessly killed a black man who was the charge of using a counterfeit $20 note after buying cigarettes from the convenience store. The name of this man whose death rocked the US political and social system for a long time. The correct answer is George Floyd. Okay. The next is, National Education Policy 2020 was approved by the Union Cabinet on the 29th of July 2020. This visionary policy that aims to touch upon every aspect of education from elementary to higher education will replace the correct answer is National Policy of Education. Okay. If we go to the next question, yes, here we have, the Prime Minister of India kick-started the largest vaccination drive in Indian history against the COVID-19 virus on 16th of January 2021. The next question is, the biggest vaccine manufacturer by volume in the world is Serum Institute of India. Okay, this is India. And the next question is, which city has been conferred the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 award as the cleanest city in the northeast region and state under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? এইটো হৈছে কারেক্ট আনসারটো হৈছে যোৰহাট. কিছুমানে তেজপুৰ বুলি লিখিছে, কিন্তু 2020 হৈছে যোৰহাট, কিন্তু 2019 আছিল তেজপুৰ. গতিকে এইকেইটা আপোনালোকে মিষ্টেক নকৰিব, সেইটো কাৰণে বহুতৰ খেলিমেলি হৈছে. দ্য কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ ইজ যোৰহাট. আমি ইয়াৰ বাবে যথেষ্ট অধ্যয়ন কৰিছোঁ, মানে ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰিছোঁ, তাৰপিছতহে আমি কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰটো পাইছোঁ. অ'কে, দ্য নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, দ্য মাউচ ডিছকিউজ লাইন অফ একচুৱেল কণ্ট্ৰল ইজ ডিছপিউটেড বৰ্ডাৰ লাইন. এইটো এটা খেলিমেলি লগা কুৱেশ্যন, আৰু এই কুৱেশ্যনটো কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ হৈছে ইণ্ডিয়া এণ্ড চাইনা. ওকে, LOC কিছুমানে ভাবি যে LOCটো আছে ইণ্ডিয়ান আৰু আফগানিস্তান বা পাকিস্তানৰ মাজত, কিন্তু LACটো আছে ক'ত আছে? ইণ্ডিয়া আৰু চাইনাৰ মাজত আছে LAC, লাইন অফ একচুৱেল কণ্ট্ৰল. ওকে, দ্য নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, দ্য পেৰিছ এগ্ৰিমেণ্ট অফ দ্য UN United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change is to limit global warming well below and that is 2.0 degrees Celsius. Okay, the next question, against 232 electoral votes won by the Donald Trump, how many electoral votes are backed on the Joe Biden in the November 2020 US election? This is all about US election, and this is 306. That is the correct answer. The next, the Nobel Prize in Literature for the year 2020 was given by Lucy Gluck is the correct answer. Okay, the next question. On the 9th of November 2019, the Supreme Court of India gave the historic verdict in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case, popularly called Ayodhya verdict. Which High Court in India referred this case to Supreme Court after 2010, that is Allahabad High Court. Okay. Next question. This is too long question, but yeah. Three agriculture bills were signed by the President of India after both houses of the Parliament has passed earlier on 27th of September 2020. Which of the following is not a part of this package? We will answer the correct. That is the Farmer Subsidy and the Insurance Act. Okay, that is the correct. Next question. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) okay, partnered with which company to launch a curriculum on digital safety and augmented reality for students and creators, that is Facebook. Okay. The next question. Which tribe of Assam organized the Jodima festival in the middle of the December 2020 to promote its art and culture, performing arts and ethnic practice? It is a Dimasa tribe. Dimasa tribe. The next question. During 27th of September 2020 and 10th of November 2020, a fierce battle was fought between two countries for the disputed territory of Nagorno-Karabakh. Which are the two countries? Armenia and Azerbaijan. Okay. So next question, if we go to the next. Yes. Which water resource project converts and extends the benefits of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan? The correct answer is Sardar Sarovar Dam project. Next question. Which pair of extremely located Indian cities is connected by the east-west corridor? That is Silchar to Purabandar. Next question. As per the census 2011, how many Gao panchayats are there in Assam? That is 22. Okay. The next question is, which among the following cities known as the tea city of India? Are we correct answer to is Dibrugarh. Okay. The term black revolution in the present context of India is associated with, the correct answer is self dependence in the production of crude oil. Black revolution to petroleum লগত জড়িত, blue revolution to মৎস্য উৎপাদনৰ লগত জড়িত, green revolution to খেতি বাতিৰ লগত জড়িত। গতিকে এই সকলোবোৰ ৰেভলিউশ্যন আপোনালোকে মনত ৰাখিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিব। এইটো এক্সামত যি হৈছে নেক্সট এক্সামৰ কাৰণে প্ৰিপেয়াৰ হ'ব। ওকে, দ্য নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন ইজ লেফটেনেণ্ট কমাণ্ডাৰ মিছেছ Karobi Gogoi is India's first woman Navy officer to posted as a defense attached in the foreign country in her case Russia. What is her basic expertise? That is warship construction and maintenance. The correct answer is D. Okay. On 23rd March 2019, the first Lokpal of India was appointed. Identify the first Lokpal from the given option. The correct answer is Sri Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Okay. Next question. When was the Assam detached from Bengal presidency and was made separate chief commissionership? That is 1874. Next question. Which of the following articles empowers the government appointment to chairman and the other members of state public service commission? That is article 316 is the correct answer. C option is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, we have another one here. The National Bamboo Mission stripes. The correct answer is here is 1, 2 and 4. Okay. 1, increase the area under bamboo plantation in non-forest areas. 2 is rejuvenate the underdeveloped bamboo industry in India, and the 4 is explore the export market for bamboo. Okay. Next question. Which one is the following correctly describe the angle tax? That is the C option is the correct. A type of capital gains tax imposed when startups receiving funding which is higher than their fair market value of the shareholders. Okay. The next question. Name the Indian citizen who is also Nobel laureate in economics. That is correct answer is Jagadish Bhagwati. If you go to the next question, under which scheme given below a program has been launched by the government of India to train youth on GST and related to matters? That is PMKVY প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী কৌশল বিকাশ যোজনা যেটো ময়ো কৰিছিলোঁ ওকে The next question, the 7-member committee for the revitalization of Assam economy in the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic was headed by the Sri Subhash Chandra Das, IAS, Indian Administrative Service retired officer. Okay. Next question, we often hear the term CTC in the context of Assam tea. What does CTC stand for? CTC stand for crush, tear and car. যেটো চাহপাত কৰাৰ যেটো process সেইটো হৈছে CTC আৰু crush, tear and car সেইটো হৈছে correct answer. Okay. This is the last question, last paper. This is so it is the two UNESCO World Heritage Site in Assam. Here এটো সকলোৱে জানে কাজিৰঙা ন্যাশনাল পাৰ্ক এণ্ড মানাস ন্যাশনাল পাৰ্ক এটো সকলোৱে জানে এটো খেলিমেলি লগাৰ কাৰণ নাই তাৰপিছত ইয়াতে ম্যাথছ কৰিব যাতে যে ম্যাথছ অফ ফলোইং পাৰ্সন এণ্ড দেয়াৰ এক্টিভিটিজ ইন দ্য ফিল্ড অফ এনভাইৰনমেণ্টেল কনভাৰসেশ্যন এণ্ড ডেভেলপমেণ্ট যদি এৰ লগত যদি নৰ্মদা বাচাও আন্দোলন দ্যাট ইজ মেধা পাটকাৰৰ লগত আৰু সেলিমালি এটোৰ লগত অৰ্থনলজি এণ্ড কনজাৰভেশ্যন সেলিমালি ন্যাশনাল পাৰ্ক আছে উত্তৰাখণ্ডত দেন দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য সেলিমালি ন্যাশনাল পার্ক okay so the correct answer is A answer is the correct answer A option তাৰপিছত all species of lemur are endemic to Madagascar okay Madagascar is the correct answer which among the following is the state tree of Assam eto সকলে জানে holong is the state tree of our state Assam the next question among the marine ecosystem the most species rich ecosystem is coral reefs okay Biodiversity hotspots are among the richest and most important ecosystem in the world. How many such hotspots are presently there in the world? There are 36 hotspots in the world. Wooden roads often dwell off and get stuck during rainy season. This is due to a phenomena of invasion. Okay. So this is all about of APSc GS paper 2021. Okay, solve all this question and there may be some doubts some question may have some doubts please comment on the comment section so thank you for watching.